Smartphone companies are competing to make the world's first totally bezel-less smartphones, and a few companies have gotten pretty close. Xiaomi is one of them and introduced the Mi Mix, a phone with an unusual aspect ratio, along with thin bezels and a beautiful ceramic back. Today, Xiaomi is announcing a slightly updated device to the Mi Mix 2. I'm Ricky with GSM Arena, and let's take a look at the Mi Mix 2S. The Mi Mix 2S is nearly identical to the Mi Mix 2. You've got your rounded corners, thin bezels, front-facing camera below the screen, and of course, you can't forget the Mi Mix's attractive ceramic backing. New to the Mi Mix 2S is the addition of a second camera and the new placement of that camera setup. This is where we have to mention that its location and appearance are quite unoriginal. On the front, we've got a 6-inch 18:9 display with a 1080 by 2160 resolution. There's a very slim in-call receiver which you might miss at first glance. And below the screen is a 5-megapixel front-facing camera. All of these things are the same on the Mi Mix 2, so let's get into what's actually different. Under the hood is an updated Snapdragon 845 CPU with Adreno 630 graphics. So while performance got a boost, Xiaomi says we can expect about the same battery life in the new model, about a day or more, according to Xiaomi. Speaking of batteries, the Mi Mix 2S has the same 3400 mAh battery pack as the Mix 2, but this is Xiaomi's first smartphone with Qi wireless charging, and might even be the first phone to have the ceramic and wireless charging combo. Along with the rear-mounted fingerprint scanner is Xiaomi's new dual camera system. It's a combination of dual 12-megapixel sensors, one telephoto and one wide. These sensors are updated from the Mi 6's dual cameras and features larger 1.4 micron pixels for better low-light performance. And dual pixel autofocus means quicker and more accurate focusing. In addition, Xiaomi introduces new scene recognition software which should set optimal settings depending on what the phone detects you're shooting. Xiaomi has also improved its portrait mode and has refined its Beautify feature and added it to the main camera as well. The Mi Mix 2S will be available in both black and white models in up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage configurations. It will also support global LTE bands and dual SIM cards. No micro SD slot though. Pricing is not yet confirmed by Xiaomi, but the company said we might expect it to retail for similar to what the Mi Mix 2 cost when it launched. The company does plan to expand to the United States as soon as the final months of 2018. But with US government's increasing security concerns of Chinese smartphone companies, will Xiaomi have a better chance at making a mark with US consumers before Huawei? I'm Ricky, signing off for GSM Arena. Thank you for watching.